In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Kraken to another wallet. So first of all, open up your Kraken app and then navigate to the Home tab and then click on Transfer at the bottom left and then go ahead and click on Withdraw Cash or Crypto, and then you can just select the crypto that you want to transfer. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how this works with Bitcoin. So I'm going to select my Bitcoin, and now this is a really important step because in here you need to select a network. And always make sure that you select the same network on your sending wallet as on your receiving other wallet. And you can make sure that you match these by putting in the same network in here and then also selecting the same network on your other wallet when you are clicking on deposit crypto or receive crypto over there. So I'm just going with Bitcoin as that is the default one. And now I need to select an address in here. So I'm just going to select the arrow down and then you can select all of the addresses that you already have. But if you don't have a withdrawal address yet, then what you need to do is you need to click on Add Withdrawal Addresses, and then you need to select the same network again. So this for the Bitcoin network then, and then you can just go ahead and paste in the withdrawal address from your other wallet in here. So let's open our other wallet. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how this works with Coinbase, but of course you can use any other as long as you can match the networks and as long as they both have Bitcoin in this case or your crypto that you're sending. So I'm just going to click on transfer right now, and then I'm going to click on receive crypto, and sometimes this can also called deposit crypto. So go ahead and click on that, then select the crypto that you're transferring, that is Bitcoin, and now you need to select the same network as I just told you. So I'm going with the default one, but if you're going with a different one, make sure they're matching on the sending and receiving wallet. So I'm going with Bitcoin, and now you can just copy this address to your clipboard, and then you can go back to Kraken to paste this in. So I'm just going to paste that address in here by clicking on paste, and then I can click on continue down below, and then you can give your account a nickname. And I always call it first the name of the crypto and then the name of the platform. So in this case, that's BTC for me, and then the platform is Coinbase. So I'm going to call that BTC Coinbase, and then I'm going to click on continue. Then you can confirm your account details, and then you can click on confirm. And then you need to verify this new withdrawal address by going to your email and then clicking the link in email to set up. So I'm just going to click on continue to withdraw, and now I'm going to open my mail to get this email. So the mail will look something like this, and it says confirm address in there. So just go ahead and click on that. And once you do that, you will be redirected to a Safari or a internet browser, and then you will get the green light saying withdrawal address approved, and then you can just go back to your app. When you click on the arrow down right now, you will see your new wallet address that you just added, and that is BTC Coinbase. So just go ahead and click on this, and now you can enter the amount of BTC that you want to transfer or the other crypto that you selected. So just go ahead and fill that in, and sometimes there are minimal amounts to transfer, so please keep that in mind. And after you've filled it in and selected the right address, you can just go ahead and click on the purple arrow to the right, and then you can confirm everything. Then you will see all of your details. And once you confirm, you can finalize the transfer, and then everything will be sorted. So from here, it's really easy. Just go ahead and follow the steps, and then you should be fine. So sometimes it can take a couple of minutes, sometimes until an hour, or sometimes longer when you're transferring crypto. It's just depending on your other wallet and the traffic. But this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.